In this video,
we will learn how to bind commands in FiveM. In FiveM, in order to bind a command to any of the keyboard keys, all you need to do is firstly, after getting into the game, press the F8 button. In here, you will find the console of FiveM. In here, all you need to do is, after coming in, bind a certain command. So firstly, you will type bind, then keyboard, then we'll use quotation marks, then the button we want to add it as, after that the command. So I'll be using the clear command. So our keyboard H has been bounded to our clear command. Now in order to use it, we'll just need to click on H and the clear command will be used. So this is how the clear command is used. So this is how you can easily bind any key to any command in FiveM and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.